It's a dumpster fire. Don't back behind it. What is going on? What is that, Penny? Whoa, what is going on? Hello, and welcome to more of a vlog style video. Today we are going to go picking for one of the best types of furniture items you can buy if you are a furniture reseller. So come along with me and we'll get started right now. And we are on our way to our favorite Goodwill, or actually, oh, it is dark. Let's try that. Oh, it's because I'm wearing sunglasses. Whatever. Anyway, we're on our way to our local Goodwill. It is the closest one to us, and we are going to pick out a piece of furniture to refurbish. And there is one thing that we have in mind that I'm not going to tell you yet. So join my journey and let's see if we can find the perfect piece of furniture.
Holy shit, he's on there.
Woo! That guy is in a hurry.
Yeah.
Jeez. I wonder if he's looking for a good piece of furniture like us, and he's trying to find our perfect piece of furniture before we get there. Well, I got news for you, buddy. We already know what we're looking for.
Oh, he's all over.
I think we have a drunk driver. I think we have a drunk rider. I think we have a drunk driver on our hands. Here we are. We're pulling in to the Goodwill. We almost forgot the coupons. Oh, there we go. These are our coupons. Unzip my backpack and put this in. No, that's terrible. That's not solid wood.
No, it's
That's particle board.
It's a small wood.
Oh, I thought you said solid wood. So... Oh, that's nice. That's not what we're looking for, but that is nice. What are you doing? How much is it?
$10.
Oh.
You think it's alright? It's
I
wooden.
mean, yeah, but how much is somebody going to buy it for? 15? That's not what we were looking for.
Look at that table.
Yeah. How much is that one?
8.
Yeah, but like, the most they're going to buy it for. No.
I think it's solid wood.
Well, yeah, but... People don't really
Those
notice
bookshelves
this.
there.
Yeah, but those are particle board too. Those aren't particle. That's particle board. What have I taught you? Nothing?
Oh, look at that. It's just a...
You know, what's that?
craft center.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Long time no see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
Still been here.
Yeah.
Always been.
I'm always looking for a dresser. You guys don't have any in the back, do you?
I can look for you.
Could you really quick? Oh my gosh, that would be so fantastic. He's gonna look and see if they have any dressers in the back. I take it, no luck.
Right now.
Darn it anyway. Thank you so much for checking.
you're
That is so nice of you.
So, I'm thinking these will look good next to our new fireplace
Yes.
on either side.
They will. Yeah, that'll be really cool.
Take the felt off the top. And it's already got the
Nice.
screw holes on the back.
Perfect.
Yeah. It's okay. I'll do the talking. Maybe.
No. I'll turn off my camera so we can't even talk. Something scares me. Little guy, are you talking?
Yeah, we go way back.
Oh God, I hope that he didn't mean to say that with my He looks at me when I said that.
Hi. It's done. Doing very good. Oh shit, I forgot one thing. I forgot this. Okay. Okay.
Sorry about that.
You're good, no
It's
worries.
okay.
Hey. Good.
Yeah, 20% off coupon.
Yeah, I'll get her from that.
We gotta say hi to those guys anyway, you know. No.
Okay, we should try to carry this.
Whoa. It's one backing up vehicle. Oh, jeez. It's a dumpster fire. Don't back behind it. What is going on? What is that guy? Honey. Whoa. What is going on? What is that guy doing? Honey, I don't want to film your death. I think that guy already... Just hurry up and run across. Okay, run across. Okay, he's having a rough day. Thing.
How's it going?
Good. So that's the inside there that the desk is going to come out of. That's our nice friend. We don't really know him, but we like him. Cool, and we're just going to get that desk loaded up into the vehicle.
Nice.
We like this guy. He's our pal. You want to say hi?
Well, we got a cool desk.
Yeah, got a cool desk out of the deal. That's going to be like a Christmas present for the family, so that's the exception to the rule right now. And my son actually has some money that I bet you he'd be willing to trade me for that desk since it wasn't that expensive. So anyway, we did not find what we were looking for. And you know what we were looking for? If you didn't guess already, we were looking for a dresser. Dressers are a hot commodity and dressers sell fast. So if you are a furniture flipper or thinking about getting into furniture refurbishing and flipping, get dressers. They always sell, and you can get at least $100 out of a dresser, and usually at least $100 profit. In some areas you could make even more. Usually they're like $20 to $35, and then we refurbish them and sell them for about $150 to $200. So it's a pretty good deal. If you just paint them black, then they're perfect. Check out my video up here. I'll link it on different furniture colors that sell fast. Black is one of them, but that's not the only one. There's another one that is quite the surprise, and you'll have to check out that video to see. Okay, so one more thing before I let you guys go. If you haven't seen my Victorian house tour or my Victorian house series, my husband and I are in the process of purchasing a Victorian style house from 1890. I encourage you to check out that playlist. So I will link the playlist at the end of this video and in the description. Oh, I'm trying to film when my husband's driving and I'm going to cause him to crash. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you got some sort of value out of it, or if it was just entertaining, or if you're still just watching, because hey, you're still watching, give it a thumbs up. And if you want some more exciting content, probably more exciting than this, be sure to subscribe. So have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video and my previous one. Peace out.
That was a lot of rambling.